that is a dog shit minefield out there. So we're at the Mini Cooper place. Dytch is going to be painting a vintage Mini Cooper. Has permission to paint the whole thing, windows and all. I'm excited to see what he's going to do. In the meantime, while he preps, let's take a look around.
Nobody ever loved me like she does. She does. Yes, she does. Don't let me
pastry shop number 1 for the day. Doing another croissant run because I have a problem with pastries. Right across the street we have patisserie number 2. As you can see, I have some here already. I'm gonna get some more. Oh yeah. Look at these croissants! Croissant number 1. Has a nice little shape to it. Got good weight. Smells like butter. Okay, okay. And we have croissant number 2. Smells like butter. You can feel the flakiness on this guy. Croissant number 1, here we go.
Is it better on the east side? Or is it better on the other side?
Well, it's there.
Yeah.
Croissant number 2. Oh yeah, croissant number 2 has like a good pull to it.
That's the sound.
You hear that? I'm gonna get croissant number 2.
Who was croissant number 2?
The lady with the cool tattoos and her hair all done up.
Yum.
The busier one.
All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, so Dytch is painting the Mini outside. I came inside to check out the showroom of this place. So just in the area that Dytch is painting, there are over 120 different Minis. There's just like warehouse upon warehouse. This is the current showroom. So as you can see, just in here alone, there's maybe like 15 to 20 Minis. It's a dope showroom. There's games back there. Now let me show you around here. is a party celebrating the finishing of Dytch's car in the showroom. As you can see, party people up in here.